Oh, hey, welcome to the Krusty Krab. Mr. Krabs was telling me that you'll be coming today to go ahead and train with me. I'm SpongeBob. Nice to meet you. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for our order. But in the meantime, we can go and sing a song. F is for friend, U is for you and me. Oh, looks like we have an order. You ready? Okay, looks like we have one Krusty Krab. All right, let's get going. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use our trusty spatula. Ding! And then we're gonna go ahead and cook ourselves a burger. Now, the trick is to wait just right. What I like to do is sing my ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, looks like it's done. So, just like that, you can go ahead and make yourself a Krabby Patty. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye!